Smile, guys. I'm doing video of us. How you doing? Going up in this, pictures I am, yeah.
Take a picture. Come on now. If I had a gun, I'd probably shoot that damn thing. Can it go higher?
Oh yeah, this thing can go wicked high. Watch. Say bye bye. How's that?
No way. No way.
Can go 2 miles out.
You go into the clouds?
Yup.
Oh my god.
Yes.
Holy shit.
Scenic. I'm just doing a panoramic video right now.
That's intense. Ugh. Good that thing doesn't have a gun on it. Crazy. It's gonna be the future. Fucking droids with fucking missiles.
Addy mode.
Oh shit, it's going. What the hell? Here you can see that I have a Runaway drone. I was getting pretty devastated. $400 down the drain. I ran inside. Shit. I had 5 to 10 minutes before I came back. So while I was waiting, I looked up how much a new drone would cost. $300 without the remote control, because I already have the remote control. And I looked up how to find it with GPS in the woods. So here it is. It went over a few houses, someone's pool, and it's going over the forest in the boonies in Bradford, Vermont. Here it came back.
DJI Spark. It just freaking
and
like it went way over there. Like it must have gone like a quarter mile out. Now the battery's going down.
See it?
But I actually had time. I thought it completely flew away.
So what happened here is it started to go out into the sky again. So I dropped the cell phone, so here it went black a bit. Now here I'm showing you how to go into your drone app and go on the right hand corner. There's 3 bars and press on that, and then press Find My Drone. And after you press on Find My Drone, it'll show you where it is. Then, like right now, you have to go to the bottom, double click on the red arrow thing, and then go to the bottom and copy it. It might be in Chinese, mine's in Chinese. Copy it, and then you go into Google Maps, paste it into Google Maps, and then it'll tell you exactly where your drone is. So I looked it up, and unfortunately, DJI Spark doesn't offer a plan to replace the drone. They're only doing, it's like $59 for their plan to if your drone crashes, you have to find it and they'll repair it, or they'll get you a new drone for just $59 a year. I think that's the deal, as you can see here. So that's DJI Spark Care Refresh, it's called. That's the better plan. So, you know, hopefully you'll find your drone if you do crash. But mine came back, thank God, because I was pretty devastated and heartbroken, like a nice pet, a really nice bird. So